You just got rear-ended on I-26, and when you exchange information, the other driver tells you they don't have insurance. Now what? What do I do if the other driver who hits me has no insurance? Getting hit by an uninsured driver can be scary, can often feel like a dead end. But fortunately, it's not. There are real options available to you in South Carolina, and I want to talk through that with you today. I'm Robert Goins. I'm a trial lawyer here in Columbia, South Carolina at the Goins Law Firm. If an uninsured driver causes your accident, here's how to protect yourself and actually recover money. First, check your own policy for uninsured motorist coverage, oftentimes referred as UM coverage. This is coverage on your policy that protects you when the at-fault driver can't. In South Carolina, insurance policies are required to have UM coverage. So you should absolutely see what you have on your policy. If you have UM coverage, your own insurance company steps in and covers your damages up to the policy limits. And that's why you don't have to be worried if you get hit by someone with no insurance. This is exactly what uninsured motorist coverage on your policy exists for. The second way to protect yourself is to check and see if you have MedPay or medical payments coverage on your policy, because this can help cover those immediate medical expenses regardless of fault. MedPay, also known sometimes as personal injury protection or PIP, usually pays out quickly and can bridge the gap while the larger claim, the liability claim, is being processed. One important note, your MedPay policy may include subrogation clauses, meaning your insurer may seek reimbursement from the at-fault party later. That kind of thing can get complicated, but don't worry too much about it. Those are all things that we take care of for you when you retain us as your lawyers. I'll mention one other final potential option. Even though it's much more difficult, you could still try to sue the uninsured driver personally. Just because they don't have insurance doesn't mean that they're immune from liability. But the practical challenge here is actually collecting a judgment from someone who does not or may not have assets. After all, if they can't afford car insurance, it's highly likely that they don't have any meaningful assets for you to recover from. If you sue them and get a judgment against them, you've heard the saying before, oftentimes you can't get blood from a turnip. Now I want to give you a real world example. I had a case recently where our client was hit by an uninsured driver and she thought she had no options at all. She was really upset. She was devastated. Thankfully though, she called us and we helped her understand what we could do to pursue an uninsured motorist claim on her behalf. We filed the UM claim for her and we eventually recovered over $400,000 to compensate her for her injuries, for her medical bills, for her loss of enjoyment of life, and to compensate her for everything that she went through. She thought that she was stuck paying her own medical bills and had to eat the cost that this uninsured driver had forced upon her when she got T-boned. But in the end, she got a very fair recovery. And that's the power of knowing what you have. The power of knowing that a good lawyer can help you navigate the system in the event that you're hit by an uninsured driver. So the best advice I give you is this. If you're wondering what to do after being hit by an uninsured driver, you have options. And those are options that we can explain to you and explore for you. There's most always a path forward, even when it feels like there isn't. And if you want to figure that path out and how we can help you, I would invite you to call us, text us, make an appointment today with us. Our number is 803-350-9230. We would be honored to work with you, review your coverage, and help you understand the options after you've been hit by a driver who has no insurance.